So sticking with the heat then, but we are going to notice the humidity rising, and that brings this potential for thunderstorms with warnings in force tomorrow and Thursday as well. The possibility of frequent lightning, large hail, gusty strong winds, and also flash flooding, and that's particularly a concern for Thursday. But I have to say, this sort of setup is quite difficult to forecast in terms of the detail. But yes, out there this evening, it's ever so warm. As you push through the night tonight, you could start to see some showers developing. Now, these actually could bring some flashes and bangs with them. A few misty patches a possibility. And yes, it is warm, it's sticky. These are our lows for tonight. Bear in mind, some places got down to around 11 or 12 last night, so it is that much warmer and more humid. So for tomorrow then, yes, you've got some sunshine. Yes, it's another very warm and, as I say, increasingly humid day. And that brings this potential for some thundery downpours. All of those risks that I mentioned could be a possibility for tomorrow, but these thunderstorms are going to be very hit and miss in nature. You can see on my graphics, many of us may well get away with a dry day and again a very warm day. Our times of high water, Portland there at 3:16 and again at 3:59 as we head into the afternoon. So sticking with this very warm, very humid feel to things, we've got this thunderstorm warning in force for Thursday as well, and that's when we're particularly concerned about things like large hail and that risk of some flash flooding as well. We obviously will keep you up to date. Still the chance for a few thunderstorms on Friday, but easing off, rain on Saturday, and then that fresher feel into the weekend. Yeah, sticking with the heat for now, and increasingly over the next couple of days, we're going to notice our humidity rising with these thunderstorm warnings in force for tomorrow, for Thursday as well. The risk of gusty winds, large hail, lightning, and also this potential for flash flooding. And as I say, this risk is particularly the case on Thursday. Out there this evening then, we'll have such a warm feel to things. As we push into the night tonight, yes, we've got this increasingly humid feel. We have got the potential for a few showers starting to appear. They could bring some flashes and bangs, maybe a few pockets of mistiness around. And temperatures, our lows here, 18 or 19 degrees. Bear in mind, last night, some of us got down to around 12 degrees. So it is going to feel that much warmer and more sticky. So into tomorrow, we have got this potential for thundery showers. Now, they're going to be difficult to forecast, but when you do get them, they could obviously be pretty heavy. We have got the risk of some flooding, perhaps even more so later on in the day. Lightning, hail, as I say, and gusty winds too, but they are hit and miss in nature. Some of us may well avoid them altogether. And just see a hot and a humid day again, with temperatures rising into the high 20s, potentially the low 30s. The temperatures will very much depend upon how many of the showers we see. Our times of high water, we've got Margate there at 9:06 and again at 9:36 into the evening. So we've still got this thunderstorm warning then in force on Thursday, and that's when we have got the greatest potential, I think, of some flash flooding. A few thunderstorms perhaps around on Friday, but fewer of them. Rain on Saturday and then a fresher feel.